So hello everyone, today we are going to review the Peak Design packing cube. We have here the M version is in the Sage color, Sage in English I think. So it's kind of a green, the same color as the bag I reviewed on another video. We have here the M and the S. Here what you see, you are wondering what this is. This is a S-binner, orange S-binner to keep this bag closed when it's full. So we're gonna start maybe with a small one. So right here, small one. Okay, so it's not very complicated. What do we have? So we have some zips, a handle to take it. We have the quick opening. So I have two Epilon tabs. I pull them, boom, open. Okay. Now what we're gonna do maybe is there is a compression zip all around. I will open it so you can see it fully open. So here we have the bag fully open, use this mesh. Okay, I will try, I don't know if it fits, to put like this thing inside. It's a little bit big, but it's kind of to see if it fits. So you can see it. I will close the bag. On this one I don't have my S-binner, so I'm not sure it will fit. Okay, now it's a little bit cramped inside. I will use the compression zip. Will it fit? Will it close? That's the big question. Let's see. It seems that it closes. Yes. Here we go. Now it's compressed. You have like this thing is inside here. Okay, so it's a little bit compressed. You can see it. Okay. Now we're gonna open it again, and you can see it here. Okay. The next thing I can show you is the other pocket, which is for dirty clothes. So we have here the compression zip, and if you flip this, you have another zip here. And it's like in another compartment separated from the main one, but if you fill it, it will reduce the amount of volume in the normal one. And if it's empty, well, you have all the amount. And it's made for dirty clothes. You put them here, and so the stain and everything it's kept in this pocket. Okay. So this was a small one, as you can see, in sage color. Now quickly, let's go to the big one, which is exactly the same thing, but it's, I think, 2 times the size. So yeah, you can see it's like 2 times the size of the small one. You have a handle here, same thing. You have here, so the zipper, as I told you. I will open it. You have the same thing, quick opening, okay. Will I try to fit some things inside? Maybe. So let's open the compression strap right here. Okay. Let's try maybe to fit this too. I'm not sure it will fit. It should maybe fit, but it will be a tight fit. Oh, I don't think so. I think I will ruin everything. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Let's put them one on the bottom, one on the top. Let's close this. Okay, so as you can see, now it's beginning to get a little bit complicated, and if just you don't use the S-binner, it can open by itself. So that's the reason for the S-binner. And now we're going to try to compress it Not sure it will work. Let's see if I can manage to do it. Okay, it seems to be doing quite well. It's a little bit hard when you overpack this, like you have to put a lot of force to try to close it. Okay, and it's done. So now we have it compressed. For reference, maybe I can show you this. It's in centimeters. It's like 18 by 30. 18 by 30 centimeters. Let's open it. Like this. Okay, quick opening. Boom. We have the two things inside. We put this on the side. And so inside this we had two of these, and these were 45 in length by something like 26. Two of these inside. So yeah, it's quite handy. I use them all the time for my clothes. It's very good. It compresses really well. It's really durable. So yeah, I really like them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.